All right, you guys, so we're going to be getting into multiplying matrices. So the last section you guys looked at having matrices and then solving them. Now we're just going to be looking at basic operations. So there are three: matrix addition, scalar multiplication, and then matrix multiplication. So it is exactly what it sounds like. On this first slide, I just have matrix addition and scalar multiplication. So adding matrices is really similar to adding real numbers. So if I have, let's change my colors, A11 and B11, adding them together in that same left top slot would be A11 plus B11. And then it would follow the same pattern all the way through for each piece. It's important to know that addition goes as normal, and this is the most normal. So if I had 2 and I had a 5 here, then that would be a 7. Okay, so nothing outrageous. Now, scalar multiplication means you're multiplying this whole matrix by a scale. Think dilation, stretching. K is a constant. Say, example 4. So you would be multiplying 4 to each piece. So yes, this is the most basic that you could think of. We are going to get into matrix multiplication, which is the more challenging side. So that's going to be on the next slide because it definitely takes a little bit more of an explanation. So you don't necessarily have to write this down, but just be aware of what you're doing with matrix addition and scalar multiplication. Maybe, write down a teeny little example. We will get into some examples.